we've got a car wreck. Everybody say, uh-oh. So we've got a car accident. We've got two people on the side of the road who need emergency assistance. So it's time to bring in the police. Here they come now. Let's find out what happens next. Officer, tell us what's going on.
Okay, so we're going to arrive at the scene and we're going to position our police car right here behind the crash. And the first thing we're going to do is check for injuries and make sure everyone's safe. And if we need additional services because people may be injured, we call for the fire department and our ambulance workers. Once we get them on scene, then we'd be able to start investigating the crash.
All right, so police are on the scene, but remember, we heard that the fire department also responds to every emergency. So here comes the fire department right now. Officer, give that microphone over to our fire department. Here we come now. All right, boys, drive down the street and show us what's happening now. Here we go.
All right, when the fire department arrives on scene, our job is to help everybody that's in the car. Maybe the car is crashed and we can't open the doors on it, so we would use things called the jaws of life, where we would cut the doors open or pry things open. But in order to do that, we need to have a safe space for work. The way we set up a safe space is by angling our truck, leaving our emergency warning lights on, then our guys get out and work around the truck and get in there to assist getting the people out of the car.
All right, so we've got the police on the scene, we've got the fire department on the scene, but we have two injured passengers and drivers over here, so it looks like we're going to need an ambulance. What sound does the ambulance make? Okay, Dom, tell us what's going on right now.
All right, we're going to pull all the way up to the front because we like to be safest. So we're going to pull all the way up by our patients, and then surprisingly enough, we're going to grab them and take them to the hospital.
Okay, let's go grab those patients and get them to the hospital. Take a look. We've got police, fire, ambulance on the scene. They were the first ones to respond to this emergency, and that's why we call them first responders. Put your hands together for our first responders. They're headed off to the hospital. Dom, are they going to make it? Are they going to be okay?
Oh, they look great.
All right, big round of applause for our ambulance right there, saving lives. Now, boys and girls, take a look over here. We still have two vehicles on the side of the road that are broken down from that accident. So what do we need now? That's right, we need the tow truck. So let's bring in iodized towing and let's find out what happens next. Cindy, tell us.
Guys, you gotta stay on the road.
There you go, come on the road.
So go on the road, go to the tow truck, go to the crash scene. We put out our cone of safety to protect our folks here that are working, and they back up and they remove the cars. They have their flashing lights on, warn people to slow down and move over.
Okay, so boys and girls, you see that they turn on their flashing lights, they put out their cones of safety. What do our drivers need to do when they see this? Oh, I didn't hear team slow down. What do we do? What do we do? That's right. Okay, so we've got two drivers coming down the road. Be an active passenger and tell them what to do. Slow down and move over. Okay, so the blue car slowed down. We got to have that pink car move over. Pink car move over, one lane. There you go. They slowed down and they moved over and they went right on through. Big round of applause for these safe drivers. Hey, we've got a school bus and an ice cream truck coming down the road. What do we tell them to do? Very good. The ice cream truck slowed down and the school bus moved over away from the crash site. They did a great job, and you did a great job being an active passenger. Let's hear it for our safe drivers, keeping us safe on the road.